welcome. Thanks for checking me out. Doing a little video by the lake, Lake Erie. We got a blizzard going on in our area. It just got started this morning. Take a look at the water real fast. You can see how crazy it is. So, Mother Nature, all this driftwood came up on the beach from the storm that we got here. All the driftwood. Beautiful little bridge over there, but you can see how strong Mother Nature is today on Lake Erie. She's giving it back to us. She says, take your water. Never seen a lake look like this in my life. Never, ever, ever. Totally amazing. So see the power of the water from Mother Nature on the lake. Trees all iced over. All this driftwood I'm standing on is all a sheet of ice too. All real slippery. Try to get a little bit closer for you guys to see. Well, I don't know if you guys how good it sounds, but you can hear the power of the wind and the fury, how strong the water is. Today would not be a good day to go boating or jet skiing. And if you had a canoe, forget it, or a kayak. But it's a beautiful day other than that. We're starting to get to sunset. Running out of daylight, but just wanted to show you guys the strength of Mother Nature with the winds. The winds are about 30 miles an hour and it's gusting probably to 50 to 60. Not quite as bad as this morning, but it's still going strong. So everybody, thanks for checking me out. I'm gonna head back to the cabin and bring my gloves. About 3 or 4 minutes of a video, my battery died. I mean, all of his fun. Yeah, it's by the contract. Kalani, what's up? How you doing? Thanks for stopping by. I just took you guys to the beach, Kalani. Took everybody to the beach earlier this year, and now I'll go to the beach on December, let's see, the 23rd? Yeah, December 23rd. So I'm going to start heading back towards home because I don't want to be out with it being dark and get late. Oh, now my camera's back on.